If you're a contractor and have a large workforce, you're probably looking for some good quality workwear at a good price. Gloves are a must on any work site to protect your hands. These Active Grip Advanced gloves from Towa are perfect for slippery work, whether you're working in wet or dry conditions. They have a 13-gauge nylon liner with a double nitrile coating that offers great oil resistance. The microfinish grip and ergonomic design also add grip while reducing fatigue. They have a level 1 cut and puncture rating, a level 2 tear rating, and a level 3 abrasive rating. A durable and affordable option for high volume workwear. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. For more videos like this, check out our blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.